Hi, I'm Nick Rouda, ESG's Senior Analyst covering Big Data. I'm here live at the Hadoop Summit in San Jose. It's been a really interesting show so far. Lots of energy, about 3,000 employees and 88 different vendors. I understand there's over 30,000 viewers of the live stream, so clearly a lot of interest in this marketplace. And the marketplace itself is going through a lot of interesting dynamic shifts today. We see that the maturity of companies is increasing rapidly. Whether you're a startup, you're now better understanding how to position yourself and your technologies to the market, or a traditional IT enterprise titan. Again, really taking a better focus on how to adapt your existing install base and convert them to what you can do for big data solutions. There have been a number of interesting acquisitions going on, continuing consolidation in the marketplace. We see the acquisition, for example, of Cloudera acquiring Gazang, tying into some of that enterprise operational maturity that we've been talking about at ESG. As big data moves from a small pilot project led by DBAs or application developers to an enterprise production environment, they need to continue to look at what are the operational requirements. And as they hand it off to the IT architects and infrastructure people, there's more stakeholders that really need to be involved. And that's showing up in the messaging here as well. People getting a lot more focused in what does Hadoop mean for different lines of the business, but also different disciplines within IT. The last thing we really see in this environment is a more nuanced understanding of how to address specific use cases. Where originally people did a lot of arm waving and talked about Hadoop's benefits at a high level, now we see them articulating not just their specific features and functionality, but how to build a real solution for the end users. And as it's a very complex environment, the major vendors here are taking a three-prong approach to that. They are either buying technologies they need, they're scrambling to build and commit new pieces to the open source Hadoop project, or have their own add-ons to their capabilities, or there's a lot of partnership going on, and we see that the partnerships here are becoming more material, more real. An example of that would be MapR's new app gallery, where they had 30 partners having downloadable technologies to address real solutions for customers. It's a great way to find and discover the environment. Of course, there are more disruptive startups, as there always are, and we see new models for Hadoop as a service, and companies like Altascale leading that charge. So all in all, it's been a very fascinating show. I really appreciate the time we've had with end user customers, lots of inquiries, lots of questions, and a great time to hear from the different vendors, their vision, their strategy for the future.